In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change your Facebook page name. This is important for maintaining brand consistency, especially if your business undergoes rebranding or expands its offerings. To do this, simply head to your Facebook page. On the Menus page, scroll down onto Settings and Privacy. You will then select on Settings. On the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down into the section of Audience and Visibility. Select on Page Setup. On this option of name, tap right here on View. You will then enter your new name of your own choice and tap on Review Change. You're only allowed to change your name once after 60 days. An updated name also improves search visibility and enhance your online presence, keeping your audience engaged and informed. That's how easy it is to change your page name on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.